Hello guys, good morning. Sabi nila guys sa akin, mahilig daw ako sa barya. Mahilig ako sa barya kasi I collect money from store. Yes. And I earn from ice candy. Sabi nila guys, gold digger daw ako kasi mahilig ako sa barya. Excuse me, if you are gold digger, coins is not good enough. Why? Because your job is as money all the time. How can you survive to the to the one person that his money is not good enough for your needs? Hoy, gaga. For your information, bago mo ako tawagin na gold digger, be sure na gold digger ako. I work hard in Denmark. I have a big amounts in my pension. It's because I work hard. Napakayabang mo naman para siraan ako. My gosh. Oh. What's wrong with your brain? I earn a piso because I'm not a gold digger. I work hard for it because that's what I want. I want to save money from small amount until biggest amount of money. And it's not my fault if you feel jealous all the time because I have my own. I have my own house, I have my own rice field, I have my own pension, and I have money enough. Napakayabang mo naman. Nasaan ka ba? Diyos ko, nagpapa 5-6 ka. 5-6. What is the meaning of that? If someone borrow 500, you need to turn it back 600. Ngek-ngek mo nga pala, mind your own business. And you cannot manage to other person life. Could you shut up? I can manage self. Mind your own business. Goodbye, Denmark.